Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up to System.io. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for System.io sign up and then go to the first link. Now you will see that you are in System.io and then you can see sign in and then start for free now. You press on start for free now, this blue button, and then you enter your email address, and then now it will ask you, do you already have a business? Yes or no, as you wish. And then what is your annual revenue in USD? And then you enter your email again, double check, or you can change your email if you enter it wrong, and then you press on submit. And now you need to go to your inbox to check for the confirmation email. After you go and click on the activation link, now it will ask you to create a password to confirm your account, and then you need to input these details, last name, and then you need to create a password. Check I'm not a robot, and then hit on save, and that's it. And now you have an account in System.io, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.